is so cool. Are you guys ready? I'm starting like a new game. Hold on. The music. I can literally listen to this forever. This goes hard. Yes! Come on! Oh my god! What? Oh, you can't hear it. God damn. I was jamming. No, we gotta play this from the beginning. I'm quitting. I think I'll do an astrology. How do I change the view? Like, how do I... Oh, there it is. Yes, you only missed character. Oh, okay. So that's how it is, mouse. I see you with the 5 billion sensitivity. What the hell? Why is it? How do I? Apex things, you know, like, because that's just how fast I. That's just how fast I have. I'm attacking. Oh gosh. Yo. Okay. I'm freaking out. Can I die? Can I die? Uh-oh. That is a yes. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Did I just cast a different I casted a different spell. Look at that. Okay. Alright. And then we do a little of that. And then we do a little of that. We lock onto the target. Oh! Let's go. Let's go. I'm cracked already. I think I get the hang of that. Oh, I killed before you could attack me. Okay. I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. I done did it. I done did it. Oh my god. That's a whole person. That's a whole person. No, see. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Yeah. What up? Come on. What you want? Yo, guys, I cannot wait until I can summon things and like fight dragons. Oh, they don't know what's coming. Oh no, we have some. Oh no! Wait, I wanted to fight that. Bro, get back here. He's still trying to get... It's that kind of game, okay. Here we go again. What happens if I... Come here, which one? Oh, stop! Oh my god. Bro. 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 One more time. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Literally, that's not doing anything. Hold on. Let me retreat. Get back my sword. And kill you. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, girl? How you doing? Girl, are you okay? Are we dead? Wait, how do I do this? Oh, wait. Do I just rest? Okay, well. The music is terrifying. Oh my god. Why is he so big? Oh. No. Stop, bro! I'm trying to block. Okay. Guys! Well, that was fun.